for a horse. The classic distance.
Yes. Dito talaga magkakasubukan ng lakas at buti ng kabayo.
Okay, how many horses do we have? 4 horses pa? Okay, so we can turn you over now to our race caller.
And gates open for the richest race ever here in the Philippines. We have Magnificent 7 jumps for the elite, moving up on the outside, Her Majesty. Flirting Hero, 3 wide, running vital, 3-in-1 in between horses is Explosive and Charlemagne into the drag for the first time. We have Flirting Hero from the outside. Her Majesty is running by the rail. Magnificent 7 is entered. Moving up on the outside. Power Drive running by the 3-in-1 Explosive in between horses. Down the stretch for the first time. Her Majesty, the other leader, running by the rail. Flirting Hero is on the outside second, and in third, Magnificent 7. 3-in-1 is running by the rail on the outside. Power Drive, then comes Streets of Gold. Explosive, Metronome, Charlemagne, Spirit Victim, and on the outside, Space Cadet, Charming Princess, while Top Cookie is the early thriller. About to pass the last 1,200 meters. Her Majesty by about 2 lengths now. 3-in-1 in second position. Flirting here is on the outside. Then comes Magnificent 7. Streets of Gold is running by the rail, while Power Drive drops back to 6. Racing down the backstretch, that's still Her Majesty in command. And moving up now on the outside is Magnificent 7 and Flirting Hero. 3-in-1 is running by the in between horses. Streets of Gold and Power Drive rings a very close paper. And racing in 7th position is entry number 3, that's Howard Hughes. Time is running out as they reach the 4th turn. 3-in-1 giving a challenge now on the outside. This is Streets of Gold, Magnificent 7. Her Majesty is running by the moving up on the outside is entry number 7, that's Explosive. Together with Spirit Victim to take 4th. We have 3-in-1 by about 2 lengths. Streets of Gold in second position. Explosive is entered as they come up towards the home turn with 3-in-1 by about 2 lengths. Looks likely a winner at this moment. Streets of Gold in second position. Explosive remains in third. Down the stretch they come once again from the stable of Mr. Jose Berhel de Dios. 3-in-1 in command by about 2 lengths, followed by Streets of Gold. And finally, the millionaire horse, 3-in-1, Streets of Gold, Spirit Victim, Charlemagne.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Entry number 1, 3-in-1.
Masyadong buenas itong mga grupo na ito. Sinwip talaga yung mga karera na December,
Yes.
Oh, the D-Staff with RB Guzzi also winning hobby. Now this time, there you see him raising his fist. Entry number 1, 3-in-1 with RB Guzzi again on top.
Tuwan-tuwa talaga.
Yeah, the jubilant RB Guzzi.
Yes.
Right.
Tama-tama sinabi nila, the great year
Oh,
the great jubilee, di ba?
Sila. Na-sweep ng stable, bihirang mangyari yan sa stable,
Only the 4th choice, 3-in-1, dito sa double sales na nag-capture na 1.477 million.
Right.
Ang ganda ni Team Third.
Oh, yun ang nangyari doon. So, ibig sabihin, hindi niya nagamayan.
Ito si 3-in-1, lamang dito ng mga 3 kabayo, And then Streets of Gold trying her very best na humabol dito sa kabayong 3-in-1. But pero ang magandang tinakoy, Explosive. Biglang chumak yun
Explosive, which eventually will be finishing
5th, Si Explosive, Ayan. So, dumarating si Spirit Victim. At muntik pang masara ni Her Majesty, isang kabayo doon. Si Cookie sa panan. And then, ito Charming Princess, Yung kay Kiko, andyan, umaayuda yan.
Sa kanya, kila Congressman.
And nasa labas yung kulay berde, yun ang kay Mr. Puyat na si Charlemagne. So dito, hugando ng mananalo si 3-in-1, So,
alam mo lang, napansin ko dito, if you would notice doon sa me, before the 3-8, going to the last quarter pole, ito si Streets of Gold nagmadali.
Correct.
Si numero 1 yun, the eventual winner natin, ng season winner yan, nagsisave ground na hindi pa siya nagbibitaw talaga.
Yeah.
So, it could have been a very nice race kung let's say nagkasabayan sila ng